Hi. Today, we are going to do some mining on a Mac. This is done on the latest MacBook Air M1. First of all, let's go to Brew to get the M1 ready. Copy the installation command and paste it on your terminal. As we are going to build from the source, few extra need to be installed. But first follow the instruction provided by the Brew installer. Once again, follow the instruction provided for the extra that we have installed. Now let's get the source of our miner from the Git repository with the command git, then the path. Once done, go to xmrig folder. Create a build folder and go in it. Then, prepare the compilation with the xmrig command. In order for the preparation to work, OpenSSL root directory need to be set up. This is done by exporting the OpenSSL directory. Then just compile with make command. When done, launch the command xmrig, followed by your pool, your Monero wallet address and your worker's name. The Monero fork is running first to benchmark to find out what is the best algorithm for your hardware. When the calibration is done, your worker is starting to get some job from the pool. First one accepted, we can now let it run. That would be all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and trigger the notification. Let me know what you think by commenting or ask questions if you have any. Bye.